content ideas to write about on your website to get it to rank higher in the search engines. One thing we have to know about Google is whenever Google searchers are coming over and performing a search about anything at all, what Google is trying to do is serve up answers. They see that query or that search as a question, and they're saying which website out here on the whole internet has the most relevant information as it relates to the question that this person's asking us. So we want to answer the questions that Google searchers are asking. And one way we can find out what Google searchers are asking about our businesses is to search a topic related to our business. So if our business is, if we make custom LED signs, we may go and perform a query on that sign. What we get when we see those results is a combination of a few sections on that results page. The first thing we see are ads. This is a Neon Signs Now. That's a company that's running ads as well as this one. The next thing we see, most typically, is that Google Map Pack. Let's search something else so I can show you. So maybe plumbers near me. This is obviously something we're going to get this map pack that comes up right here. See above it are ads. In the middle section are the 3 businesses that are listed for that map pack. These are associated with the Google My Business listing. And the more that is filled out and the better the website is together, those work synergistically with one another to help rank higher on the search engines. And then underneath that, we have what we call the organic results, which is a lot of time national companies or whoever is doing the most SEO to their website. Typically, a lot of times we see things like Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, Home Depot, especially as if we're searching for, if we're searching for home services. Because not a lot of home service businesses do a lot of SEO on their website. So let's go back over and search that custom LED signs. And what we see is on almost every Google search we perform, we see this area that says people also ask. Sometimes there's also a related search right down here. You can see related searches. Everything in this related search and in people also ask are related queries that people are asking Google questions about. And one way to utilize Google, who's giving us these answers right here about what else are people asking about as it relates to our business, we can come in here and click this little down arrow up and down. Just do it a few times. And as you can see, this list starts to expand. And these are some of the top questions that people are asking. So how much does it cost to make an LED sign? We can see that davis-signs.com has an article about exactly that. Now, if Davis Signs is the only one talking about how much it costs to get an LED sign, they are going to be the ones showing up for that query. And we never know how people are going to search for our business. So it's important to answer these questions that people may be asking. And as you can see, their article doesn't really answer the question. It just gives a range. So from 250 upwards to over $1,000, just as long as we're writing content about that question, it will begin to rank on our website. So this is one way that you can come in, whether you're a plumber or an LED sign maker, and find more content to write on your website. So with the example of plumbers, we can see here, people also ask, they want to know how much it costs. Do they do free quotes? What are the types of plumbers? And if we can come in here and up and down this little arrow, this will give us lots and lots of content ideas for things we can write about on our website and on our blogs to help our websites rank better. Hope this was helpful. If you need help with your SEO, don't hesitate to reach out to Hite Digital Norman. We're here to help. Have a great day.